So I had a great response from my holiday shows. And with Christmas this week, I thought I'd share some of those cheerful comments and spread the holiday spirits. Of course, let me take a little bit of my spirits first. Ooh, grapefruit margarita. It doesn't go with this meal, but it makes it more fun to make. So, let's see the comments. Alice from Michigan. Nonnina, you're so funny, but I'm worried you're gonna end up in the naughty list. Ooh, thanks Alice, but let me give you an inside scoop. Saint Nick told me there's a secret third list, and it's the good kind of naughty list. I don't know what I did to get on that. Probably my comfort food I've been filling his mouth with. So follow along with Nonnina and maybe you'll get an extra sweet treat next year from Santa. Jimmy from South Dakota. Ooh, I have the head you've been missing. Oh, sorry Jimmy. I think Santa's gonna give it to me this year. But if any of you guys out there are looking for that head, Jimmy has a package he can deliver. Cookie from the Carolinas. Ooh, she sounds delicious. Do you swing? If you don't have a partner, it's fine because everyone in our group wants to take turns with you. Oh, I love to dance and be passed around. Oh, after COVID's over, if I make it down south, you can teach me the Carolina shag. Mason from New Mexico. You seem really cold in New England. Oh yeah, my blood thins as I get older. Come down here and I'll feed you hot dogs by the campfire. Oh, and it'll even toast my buns. Oh, hot dogs in my toasted buns sounds delicious. But if you want to get in Nonnina's buns, make sure they're Jumbo Franks. And last one, Joy from Alabama. The thought of your meat stuffing filling me up is all I can think about. Oh, it seems like Nonnina's satiating her joy this year. The great thing about my videos is you can keep coming back for more. So let's go over the dish we're gonna make. We're gonna do an Italian meatloaf. And I know meatloaf, whenever I hear meatloaf, you think, oh, so boring, so basic. But let the Italians get their hands on it and we'll brighten that up. So let's go over the ingredients. We need 12 ounces of the sun-dried tomato chicken sausage, 1 pound of the turkey meat, and you know, I want to light it up and go with the leaner meats this time. 1 cup of Parmesan, 1 cup of mozzarella, 1 clove of garlic, 1 shallot that I diced, half a bell pepper. I went with the yellow just because I got the lemons all around and I feel like it goes with the theme of Nonnina during Christmas. 1 cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs. We need 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 egg. We need 1 cup of marinara. I know if you've been watching Nonnina, I don't usually just use the pre-made stuff. I'm usually getting the San Marzano style tomatoes and making it myself. But I also want to show everyone that you can do things a little quicker. And so I'm going to use this marinara sauce today and try it out. And our seasonings. We need 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. The Italian olive oil, and the salt and the pepper. And we're ready to begin. So first we're going to brown our garlic, our bell pepper, and our shallot. So let's put in the olive oil. 2 tablespoons. That's a 1. That's a 2. And a little extra for love. That's a nice. And put our garlic in. I want to get it all. Get in there, little guys. That's a nice. And our shallot. peppers. Oh, that's a nice. And I'll give it a stir. And we'll brown this up. So while this is browning, I started to prepare my sausages. So what you want to do is you want to do some thin slices, just like that. And then we'll flip them over and we'll dice them up in fours. Perfect. And you just take a couple and you go in fours and you put it in a little bowl for when we're ready for it. Just like that. That's a nice. And just keep doing it until all the sausage is chopped up. So we got the sausages all ready. And our bell peppers, our shallot, and our garlic are nice and brown. So now we can put everything in this bowl. We're going to take our egg. We'll crack that. And what we're going to do is we're going to beat it. Don't worry, no shells and Nonnina's cooking. So we'll take a fork. And don't worry about beating the egg, because he's on the good kind of naughty list. So that's all good. And now we're going to put in half our marinara. I'm going to save some for put on top. That's nice. We'll put all the Parmesan in. We're going to do half our mozzarella. Again, we want to layer some on top. Perfect. And our breadcrumbs. Our milk. Worcestershire sauce. Our sausage. Woo! Have fun in there. This one. Our turkey meat. So, we gotta put our seasoning in. All our seasonings in. We'll do some salt. And the black pepper. And, of course, our bell peppers, our garlic, and our shallot. Oh, go in there, guys. It's gonna be a fun time. See, Italians liven up everything. That's nice. And now we're gonna mix this the old-fashioned way, with our hands. Just get right in there and have fun. Ooh, it's warm. Plunge your hands in there and get nice and deep, just like Nonnina does. Oh, this looks so good. So it's all ready to go into the casserole dish, and I cleaned up. So we'll take a spoon and we'll put it right in, and then we'll flatten it out. This is going to be wonderful. And I'll take my spoon and I'll flatten it out. I'm going to add a little bit more. And you can either do a bigger casserole dish, or if you have extra, you can do 2 smaller casserole dishes. But for this show, I'm going to make the one to show you how to do it. That's a perfect. And I'll put this aside to make a second casserole dish later. So we'll take our marinara and we're going to thinly layer it right on top. Now take a spoon and smooth it out. That's nice. I'll do a little bit more. Perfect. And give it a nice little smooth topping. Perfect. So that's a nice. And we'll sprinkle our extra mozzarella right on top. It's gonna be so delicious with the melted cheese. A little bit more. Who doesn't like the mozzarella? So we'll put this in the oven at 400 for 50 minutes. I'll be back. And the dish is ready to be served. Oh, it looks fantastic. I can't wait to dig deep in this. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to share me with all your friends. And if you want to leave me any cheerful comments, it'd be my joy to respond. I love that big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want more videos of Nonnina in your feed, ding the little bell. And remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Buon appetito! Ciao!